Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn on the voice control on iPhone. So step one, click on settings, then return to the settings to this settings page. Yes, click on accessibility below general. Now scroll down to voice control. As you see, it is turned off. Click on it. And here to turn on or set up the voice control, click on set up voice control. A new window pops up. Click on continue, or first select your desired language. In my case, I will go with US English. And this is the current list of languages. Now click on continue. What can I say? You can ask Siri to turn on voice control or to wake the screen by saying, "Hey Siri, turn on voice control." At any time, you can say, "Show me what to say." System commands and navigation. For example, you can say, "Open an application, then application name, close, then application name," and so on. Go home, go back, stop listening, show grid, show names once, click on done. And just like this, the voice control is, and this is how to turn on the voice control or how to set up the voice control. And as you see, this blue icon, to make sure that the voice control is fully turned on, you will see this blue icon on the top of your iPhone.